welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to install the Google Play Store on your computer. This is a process that you can make on your Windows or your Mac, but remember, for Mac it's just available if you have an Intel processor. But in this case, if you have the Apple Silicon chip, you're not going to be able to do it. So what you must do is go to your web browser and write bluestacks.com. As you can see, here I am in the web page, and in the upper part of the screen in the green button, I have the option download BlueStacks. If you click on it, automatically the download is going to begin. I'm going to cancel this right now. Once you have downloaded this, you must to click on this and a new window is going to appear. I'm going to show you this window here. So what you have to do is double click on this icon and automatically BlueStacks is going to get installed into your computer. Remember, this is just available for Windows, and for Mac just if you have the Intel chip. If you have the Apple Silicon chip, this is not going to work. Once you have opened this program, what you're going to see is practically a cell phone on your computer because it is an emulator. So in that emulator of your phone, you're going to get Google Play Store. This is like an app by default on these emulators, so you're not going to have to worry about to install it because you're going to have it by default. So that's how you can get Google Play Store on your computer.